Alright, hello again YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dos Ramirez. Ramirez Twins Racing, a Simple Juice Performance. We're back with the broken, cracked really, test pipe for the 2004 350Z. Let's see how the wrong type of welding works on it. When I say wrong, I mean just the, it's not stainless, I just got regular mild steel. .035, something like that in there. And just regular 75-25 gas. Let's see how it takes it. Like boogers, but hey, I just need to close it. We'll test and see what's leaking later on, you know. It don't have to be Picasso, it just has to work. All we need for now. We're eventually upgrade. We'll just make a new one. Like I said, a little boogery, a little snot, but as long as it penetrates through and holds it till for a little while, you know, a few weeks or whatever. I'm not gonna be killing the car anyway. Let's take a look at this side. It's the inside actually. Okay, we have penetration. Penetration. That'll work. There's a little crack there right there. I missed that. We gotta get that. See the little sections? Cool. All right, we'll finish this up and then I'll see how it looks at the end. Do a little grinding, we'll make it look pretty. All right, once again, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. That way I can put my sons through college. Thank you very much. We'll get back to it.